Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to hide apps on Android phone. So let's get started. First, head over to your settings. Now scroll down and look for security. Now scroll down again and look for privacy and app encryption. This is where you'll find the app hiding option. Then enter your password, and once you're here, click on app hiding. And from here, all you have to do is look for the app that you want to hide and then click the button beside it, and that's pretty much it. Your app will be hidden. And there's also instructions on how to see your hidden apps, so don't worry. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.